Welcome to the Sales Invoice function in eResource On Demand. In this function, we'll explore the streamlined process of creating sales invoices that ensure efficient and accurate invoicing. In the world of sales, accuracy and efficiency are paramount. eResource On Demand offers you a powerful tool for creating sales invoices in a way that aligns perfectly with your business needs. First and foremost, let's discuss the foundation of a sales invoice in eResource On Demand, the delivery note. Sales invoices can be seamlessly created against a delivery note. It's important to note that multiple delivery notes can be associated with the same sales order. When a delivery note is selected, all relevant information from the delivery note is automatically populated into the sales invoice. This includes critical details such as the delivered quantity, which originates from the delivery order, and the rate, sourced from the sales order. Creating a delivery order is pivotal because it's through this process that your inventory is accurately adjusted. However, we've also taken your convenience into consideration. A provision exists to create a direct sales invoice, wherein a sales order or a delivery note isn't necessary. In this scenario, the material is automatically deducted from your inventory upon creating the direct sales invoice. Turning our attention to taxation, rest assured that tax information is populated directly from the sales order. Furthermore, you also have the option to manually capture tax information even at the sales invoice level. The tax will be configured according to the local requirements of your company's country. The beauty of eResource On Demand lies in its efficiency. All the relevant information is effortlessly fetched from the delivery order and sales order, making the creation of a sales invoice a matter of just a few clicks. The currency of the invoice is directly derived from the currency selected in the sales order, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Communication within your organization is key, and we've got that covered too. You have the ability to include additional associates who should be informed about this invoice. These associates are individuals within your organization whom you want to keep in the loop regarding this invoice. Upon tagging an associate, they will receive real-time notifications through the chat window as soon as they log in. Flexibility is at the heart of the process. You have the freedom to modify the narration, terms, and conditions, and even attach necessary documents as needed. Once you're satisfied with the invoice, you can save, print, and even directly email it to the customer from the sales invoice screen. eResource On Demand empowers you with an intuitive interface, ensuring your sales invoice creation process is efficient, accurate, and well documented. Thank you for exploring this sales invoice function with us. Your business success is our utmost priority.